Hanggang ngayon, meron pa ring tinatamaan ng COVID-19 dito sa Pilipinas, tulad na lang ng panganay na anak ni Kris Aquino na si Joshua. Kaya nga dapat pakinggan natin ang panawagan ng mga doktor na huwag pa ring papakampante, lalo na kapag nagpupunta sa matataong lugar, dahil nandyan pa rin ang COVID. Sa kanyang Instagram post, ibinalita ni Kris Aquino na napraning sila sa kanilang bahay nang malamang may COVID uli si Joshua. Ang post ng TV host actress sa IG story, "Kuya Josh got COVID again. Meme was exposed. We were all freaked that I could also have COVID. Kuya is now PCR negative. Thank you Jane and Nurse Mary for isolating and caring for Kuya." Kasunod naman nito ay tila kinilig naman si Kris sa ipinost niyang litrato ng bouquet of flowers na may dedication na, "You had me at hello I love you, I know." Ang caption na inilagay dito ni Kris ay, "I was no longer in the hospital, but this was left for me." Nurse LA was sent the picture by her former co-nurses. "Whoever you are, thank you. Your thoughtful gesture is much appreciated during a stressful time." Sa panayam ni OG Diaz kay Kris, natanong siya tungkol sa kanyang bagong jowa na isang doktor. Ani Kris, "It just flowed. He's a doctor. That's part of the reason why it was easy kasi alam niya kung anong pinagdadaanan ko. He's part of the reason why I'm confident na pwede akong umuwi, kasi alam ko na there's someone who will help in taking care of me." Dagdag pa niya, "The reason siguro why I felt comfortable around him, is because I feel na aalagaan niya ako and important yun sa taong may nararamdaman na mahirap gamutin, kasi you need someone na pwede mong sandalan."